the Mount Parraquet, also known as the cotorra de pig gris in Catalan or cotorra argentina in Spanish, is a small, bright green parrot with a grayish breast and greenish yellow abdomen.
Phylum. Chordata. Chordaters are animals possessing a notochord, a hollow dorsal nerve cord, phalangeal slits and endostyle, and a postnasal tail for at least some period of their life cycles.
Size. The nomenclature species of this parakeet is 29 cm long on average, with a 48 cm wingspan, and weighs 100 grams. Females tend to be 10–20% smaller, but can only be reliable sexed by DNA or feather testing.
Color. Mount parakeet has bright green upper parts. The forehead and breast are pale gray with darker scalloping, and the rest of the underparts are very light green to yellow. The remics are dark blue. The tail is long and tapering, and the bill is orange.
Food. It is granivore species. In nature, it feeds on seeds of wild and cultive plants, thistle, sorghum, maize and rice. Also, it consumes fruit and flowers, as well as adult insects and their life. These parrots may also feed on the flesh of dead animals. In the trophic pyramid, they are secondary consumers because they feed on primary consumers like worms, and they feed also on producers, for example plants, but their predators are tertiary consumers.
They live in a subtropical climate. In the subtropical climate, the temperature is temperate, and the climate is dry or humid depending on the station. In its natural range, the Mount parakeet inhabits dry, semi-open woodland, scrubland and savanna, generally in lowlands. Where it has been introduced, this species typically lives in urban areas, like the wild boar or the blackcap. Here, Myiopsitta Monachus have competition for their food. For example, in our school, they compete with wolves for their food.
Origin. They belong to Argentina, South America. But as they become very popular as pets, when America was discovered, they ended up colonizing Brazil, Uruguay, Paraguay, France, Germany, Spain, and Japan.
Myiopsitta monachus arrived to Spain like a pet, but now they are supposing a very big problem. Myiopsitta monachus causes serious problems in agriculture and is displacing native fauna, blackbirds, and magpies, causing serious environmental imbalances in very specific areas. As we know, they form colonies composed of a large numbers of individuals, so they make unpleasant noises. Also, they provoke bad smell and dirt. Another problem is that they make damage to vegetation because to form their nests, they use vegetable waste from surrounding areas. Maybe its most obvious feature is the noise generated, but not only noise alters people, because their nest, with a big size and weight, can become dangerous if they fall from the trees.
Shooting them is the most effective method to control parrots and parakeets. It is the only method authorized in South Australia to control certain species of parrots. Also, scientists are looking forward to control these birds by feeding and capture them. Although the loyalty to a particular feeding site can be difficult and involve more than 2 months.